Welcome. In front of me is a WIKO View GO, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you will want to open up your contacts application, the standalone version of it, right over here. From here you want to tap on the three bars and go to Settings, where you should see Import option at the bottom. And from here you want to select that you want to import contacts from SIM card. It will automatically select all the contacts that are on that SIM card. If they are already on your device, they will be deselected and grayed out, so you won't be able to select them, just so you know. But you can also deselect ones that you don't want yourself, and from there, once you are satisfied with everything that is selected, tap on Import. It will give you amount of contacts that have been imported, and you should see them right now in your contacts list. So that is how you would copy your contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.